Hi friends, welcome to Vaibhava English Academy. Today, let us look at Gitanjali song number 22. Coming to the song, in the deep shadows of the rainy July, with secret steps, thou walkest silent as night, eluding all watchers. Today, morning has closed its eyes, heedless of the insistent calls of the loud east wind, and a thick veil has been drawn over the ever wakeful blue sky. The woodlands have hushed their songs, and the doors are all shut at every house. Thou art the solitary wayfarer in this deserted street. Oh, my only friend, my best beloved, the gates are open in my house. Do not pass by like a dream. Now let us look at the analysis and also criticism of this particular song. The poet comments that God walks alone in the rainy season of July. God walks so quietly that nobody sees him. God's style of walking is also not to seek attention. In the next line, the poet pen pictures the climate. As already mentioned, in the rainy month of July, morning sky is covered with black, thick clouds. Because of the dull, rainy morning, the sky looks like the evening sky. The forests also seem quieter, and the villagers have also closed their door. Because of this cloudy and rainy climate, no active work is being done. The poet loves and adores God. Therefore, the poet invites God to his home. At a point of time when all others have closed their doors, the poet awaits the arrival of God. The poet requests God to visit his home and not to neglect his home. Here, this was the straight, simple meaning of this poem. There is yet another perspective from which we can analyze this poem. In human life, just like rainy season, uh, you see, in human life, rainy seasons can be compared to sorrowful times, and cloudy sky refers to hopelessness and despair. So, once the human beings are facing troubles in life, they became desperate. It is a usual tendency to become sadder, somber, and also dull. It is human psyche to become desperate and pessimistic when expected things go otherwise. When you are not able to fulfill what you expected, what common people do is they turn towards being desperate, being depressed. The poet suggests that even at this time, at this juncture of gloominess, one should not forget God. One should always invite God to his home, which is his heart. Thank you so much.